how's it going? This is your Daily Sweet Talk for January 25th, 2026. What's the coldest place an ant can go? Right here. We're in the middle of a snowstorm, baby. The Antarctic is the answer. Let's talk about lab-grown meat. And not buzz around it. Negative buzz. The negative buzz around it. I don't really get it personally. Like, I mean, I haven't done a lot of research or whatever into lab-grown meat. But it seems like whenever people are talking about lab-grown meat, it's like out of fear that it's being served to you without you knowing, which I'll put a pin in that. But also, why are people so concerned about it? I get you want to know what you're eating, but you know, there's the health conscious conspiracy theorists. But people who just eat like hot dogs, like I feel like it's a more widespread thing than just the health conscious conspiracy theorists. Maybe I'm wrong. But you know, people who eat like hot dogs, you don't know what you're eating in that. It's just a bunch of ground up parts. So why is it bad when it's lab grown? Like, what are you afraid of? Are you afraid of they're growing cells, so maybe it's gonna be like cancerous and you're eating cancer? I don't think you can get cancer that way. By the way, if you eat cancer, I don't think you're gonna get cancer. I don't think it works that way. I don't know if that's a fear. I don't know what the fear is. People just don't like eating weird things. People are weird about it with the plant-based meats too. They're like, oh, it's Impossible Burger. It's high in estrogen. It's gonna turn you into a girl. I mean, I guess I can't say it didn't. I actually don't think I've ever had an Impossible Burger, but I have had lots of soy-based meal replacements. So, maybe there's something to that. But no, it's all silly. It's silly. It's very silly, and it's I think it's out of, I don't know. People have such a purity. They want such a purity with their food. Like, oh, we don't like what's in it. There's so many. There's chemicals or whatever. We don't know what it is. It's just chemicals. It's like all food is chemicals. Everything is chemicals. I'm not saying none of it's bad chemicals. There's it can be bad without chemicals. That's what the FDA is for. That's what, and don't get me wrong. I'm sure there's plenty of corruption. It's not a perfect system. That's the government for you. But that doesn't mean, like, just do your research. Don't be conspiratorial about it. And then, stuff like this seems like a promising prospect to me. I think it's great that we get to have alternatives where, maybe somewhere down the line we'll have an alternative where we won't have to kill animals to still have actual meat to eat. I think that would be a great alternative. If that's possible in the future, right now that's not where it is. And I'm gonna cite my source here. Not really. It's someone who's. I would say it's a source. It's a food scientist. I think I forget the channel name, but I'm gonna source the video here. And it's a great channel if you're concerned about if you're conspiratorial about like what you're eating. Sure, by all means, be that way. That's fine. It's good to care about what you're eating. If you want to be like health conscious or conscious about like the additives and stuff that are in food, that's perfectly fine. Just know you're wrong about some of it. Like, some of it is overblown, and you gotta know that. Like, I'm sure you're right, but some of it is overblown. And this person is a food scientist who knows what they're talking about. It's their job. And they make great videos addressing, I think it's Hydroxity or something is the channel name. But they make great channels talking to people like who are conspiratorial minded about that stuff, and about what the real problem is.